So I set up a little light and I decided to continue working on the radio a little bit, and I kind of going backwards here. I decided to just clean it up and get all the dust off with this nice brush. Paintbrush worked really well, it's soft. So I went and got all the dust off this thing, and I gotta tell you, it looks really pristine. I pulled all the tubes, I gave them the hot breath and soft rag polish, not too hard, but just enough to bring back a little bit of the sheen. I got all the dust out from under everything, and it was quite a mess, but it looks really good. And there wasn't any dust on the bottom really. So I cleaned that all up, and I decided, since I wasn't going to break into any electrical work, that I would also start cleaning the chassis or the case. And I was looking online for how to restore Bakelite, and it didn't seem like you had to be too gentle with it. The suggestions were Brasso and such, and I found this under the sink cooktop cleaner for glass and ceramic, and it's a little abrasive but not too bad. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this in my leisure time, and let's see where we are in a little bit here. So here's the cleaned up electronics chassis. It cleaned up really well with this brush. Here's a screen from inside the unit that it was glued on the edges, and I'll have to put that back in, but it was easier to clean with it out. But it's intact, so I'll use glue or nail polish. The knobs are fairly clean. The inside cleaned up well. If you recall, it was quite dusty and disgusting, and there was a bunch of wax that I managed to get most of it out. Everything's solid and intact. I was a little disappointed with the outside. I mean, I cleaned it. I tried using an abrasive polish and it doesn't look any better. I don't know if car wax might help, but you know, it is an old unit, and it looks like somebody had a flower pot up there or something. I was doubtful that would clean up, but it's a solid unit and it's intact, and the worst part is over, which is cleaning, and it was a mess. So the fun part's starting in my next video, where I will actually dig into the electronics and see if we can get this baby humming. Thanks for watching.